अगर आप बीएससी नर्सिंग एंट्रेंस या किसी भी बायोलॉजी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो यह मॉक टेस्ट आपके लिए गेम चेंजर होने वाला है। आज के इस वीडियो में मिलेंगे 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूएस, बिल्कुल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम पैटर्न पर बेस्ड। हर क्वेश्चन के बाद मिलेगा 5 सेकंड का थिंकिंग टाइम और फिर एग्जैक्ट आंसर विद शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो अपना पेन और पेपर रेडी कर लो क्योंकि अब स्टार्ट हो रहा है रियल एग्जाम प्रैक्टिस। इंस्ट्रक्शन सन लो। रूल सिंपल है, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी, फिर 4 ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे, उसके बाद 5 सेकंड का टाइमर और फिर करेक्ट आंसर। ट्राई करो कि पहले खुद सॉल्व करो, तभी असली प्रैक्टिस होगी। अगर आप सीरियस एस्पिरेंट हो तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना और अपना स्कोर कमेंट में लिखना। क्वेश्चन 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ टैक्सोनॉमी? ए जीनस, बी फैमिली, सी स्पीशीज, डी ऑर्डर। Correct answer, C. Question 2, who proposed the five kingdom classification? A. Linnaeus, B. Aristotle, C. Whitaker, D. Darwin. Correct answer, C. Question 3, which taxonomic rank is lowest? A. Kingdom, B. Species, C. Class, D. Phylum. Correct answer, B. Question 4, scientific names are generally written in A. Capital letters, B. Small letters, C. Italics, D. Bold. Correct answer, C. Question 5, which of the following is a man-made system of classification? A. Natural, B. Artificial, C. Phylogenetic, D. Evolutionary. Correct answer, C. Question 6, who is called the father of modern taxonomy? A. Aristotle, B. Darwin, C. Linnaeus, D. Whitaker. Correct answer, C. Question 7, which category contains organisms with maximum similarities? A. Family, B. Order, C. Species, D. Genus. Correct answer, C. Question 8, which taxonomic aid contains preserved plants? A. Museum, B. Zoo, C. Herbarium, D. Botanical garden. Correct answer, C. Question 9, ICZN is related to A. Plant naming, B. Animal naming, C. Virus naming, D. Fungal naming. Correct answer, B. Question 10, which book provides information on plant species of a region? A. Manual, B. Flora, C. Catalogue, D. Monograph. Correct answer, B. Question 10, metabolism refers to A. Only respiration, B. Only breakdown reactions, C. Only synthesis reactions, D. All chemical reactions in the body. Correct answer, D. Question 11, which of the following shows metabolism? A. Stone, B. Dead leaf, C. Virus outside host, D. Living cell. Correct answer, D. Question 13, virus is considered living when it is A. Outside the host, B. Inside the host, C. In air, D. In water. Correct answer, B. Question 14, which non-living thing shows growth? A. Plant, B. Animal, C. Mountain, D. Bacteria. Correct answer C. Question 15. Consciousness refers to A. Growth, B. Reproduction, C. Response to stimuli, D. Metabolism. Correct answer C. Question 16. Bending of plant towards light is called A. Geotropism, B. Hydrotropism, C. Phototropism, D. Chemotropism. Correct answer C. Question 17. Which is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Metabolism, B. Growth, C. Consciousness, D. Crystallization. Correct answer D. Question 18. Five kingdom classification was proposed by A. Linnaeus, B. Darwin, C. Whittaker, D. Aristotle. Correct answer C. Question 19. The study of identification and classification is called A. Ecology, B. Taxonomy, C. Anatomy, D. Morphology. Correct answer B. Question 20. Herbarium is used for A. Preserving animals, B. Preserving plants, C. Preserving microbes, D. Preserving fossils. Correct answer B. Question 21. Museum preserves A. Living organisms, B. Dead preserved specimens, C. Seeds only, D. Microbes. Correct answer B. Question 22. Botanical gardens help in A. Identification, B. Conservation, C. Research, D. All of these. Correct answer D. Question 23. Zoological parks are meant for A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Algae, D. Fungi. Correct answer B. Question 24. Flora refers to A. Animal diversity, B. Plant diversity, C. Microbial diversity, D. Fungal diversity. Correct answer B. Question 25. Fauna refers to A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Algae, D. Fungi. Correct answer B. Question 26. Keys are used for A. Preservation, B. Identification, C. Classification, D. Storage. Correct answer B. Question 27. Which is not a taxonomic category? A. Species, B. Genus, C. Variety, D. Family. Correct answer C. Question 28. ICBN is related to A. Animals, B. Plants, C. Fungi, D. Viruses. Correct answer B. Question 29. ICZN is related to A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Bacteria, D. Viruses. Correct answer B. Question 30. Father of taxonomy is A. Darwin, B. Aristotle, C. Linnaeus, D. Whittaker. Correct answer C. Question 31. Which property is present in all living organisms? A. Growth, B. Reproduction, C. Metabolism, D. Movement. Correct answer C. Question 32. Virus outside the host is A. Living, B. Dead, C. Inert, D. Active. Correct answer C. Question 33. Largest taxonomic category is A. Species, B. Genus, C. Kingdom, D. Phylum. Correct answer C. Question 34. Category just above species is A. Family, B. Order, C. Genus, D. Class. Correct answer C. Question 35. Number of described species on Earth is about A. 1.2 million, B. 1.7-1.8 million, C. 3 million, D. 10 million. Correct answer B. Question 36. Taxonomic studies include A. Identification, B. Nomenclature, C. Classification, D. All of these. Correct answer D. Question 37. Keys are based on A. Similar characters, B. Contrasting characters, C. Random characters, D. Habitat. Correct answer B. Question 38. Scientific names ensure A. Confusion, B. Uniformity, C. Regional names, D. Errors. Correct answer B. Question 39. Which classification is based on evolutionary relationships? A. Artificial, B. Natural, C. Phylogenetic, D. Morphological. Correct answer C. Question 40. Living organisms maintain internal balance called A. Metabolism, B. Homeostasis, C. Respiration, D. Excretion. Correct answer B. Question 41. Which is a taxonomic aid? A. Thermometer, B. Microscope, C. Key, D. Balance. Correct answer C. Question 42. Which classification system is man-made? A. Natural, B. Phylogenetic, C. Artificial, D. Evolutionary. Correct answer C. Question 43. Study of living organisms is called A. Botany, B. Zoology, C. Biology, D. Ecology. Correct answer C. Question 44. Which of the following does not define living organisms? A. Growth, B. Reproduction, C. Metabolism, D. Consciousness. Correct answer A. Question 45. Mule is an example of A. Living and reproducing, B. Living but non-reproducing, C. Non-living, D. Virus. Correct answer B. Question 46. Which taxonomic aid contains dried plant specimens? A. Museum, B. Herbarium, C. Zoo, D. Aquarium. Correct answer B. Question 47. Binomial nomenclature includes A. 1 name, B. 3 names, C. 2 names, D. 4 names. Correct answer C. Question 48. Generic name is written in A. capital letter, B. small letter, C. italics only, D. bold. Correct answer A. Question 49. Species name is written in A. capital letter, B. small letter, C. bold, D. underline only. Correct answer B. Question 50. Which property distinguishes living from non-living most accurately? A. growth, B. size, C. metabolism, D. shape. Correct answer C. मॉक टेस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है। कमेंट में अपना स्कोर लिखो और बताओ नेक्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट किस चैप्टर का चाहिए। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ और चैनल केयर विद स्वाति को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पावरफुल मॉक टेस्ट में।